Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have the IXO model cars USA edition. So I usually open the orange boxes, which sometimes have American cars in them, sometimes some other country manufactured vehicles and stuff like that. So this time it's the first time for me to open this black box styled. So yeah, and I am ready to get into it. This is the Oldsmobile 442 W-30 Coupe from 1970. So let's get into it. Come on. And there you go. So of course it comes in acrylic case with the plastic base, which is held by stickers. There we go. Oh, the car looks so good. I have some stars on the base. I didn't even notice that. USA also. USA edition. So this thing looks super good. Super, super good. Really don't even want to touch it because you can see all of the fingerprints on black cars. So let's see what type of screwdriver I need to get this off. I don't know why I'm using a flat, but it works, so might as well. Oh, there it goes. Let me put that out to the side, because the big box acrylic cases I do keep because I know that I will be moving at least a couple of more times in the future, and I will need them to put the cars back in when I'm moving. So here is the model itself. So like I said, it looks very, very good. There's your front details. It says 442, has lensed front headlights. Ooh, I'm so scared to hold it that almost dropped it. So we got the 442 red stripe. Got these nice lines going to the front from the sides, which looks very cool. Very awesome rims. It says, what does it say? Oval, wide oval, Firestones. Got some black interior, which you can't really not see much on the camera. Sorry. There's your back details. Got the separate exhausts, lensed tail lights. Also have the little mirror right there, which you don't want to touch. Let's check out the base. It is plastic. And I have rarely seen non-plastic bases, at least on modern models. Got some tire issue right there, but it's nothing much. It's just not fully sitting on the rim, so there's not a big issue. Yeah, there we go. So you got my fingerprints on the car. So that's that. I'll have to polish it before I put it in the display. So rolls super well, super smooth. So yeah, if you have thought about these or seen them and not sure, there you go. I am confirming that this is worth it. I paid like 25 euros for it, so I usually buy these IXO cars around 20. Like I haven't paid actually more than 20. This is my first one. I paid like 5 more, but like 5 more euros is nothing. If it'd be like 10, yeah, it would start be very picky. But yeah, there you have it, guys. I hope actually you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Um, when am I filming this? When I'm posting this, even I think it's around after Christmas. So Merry Christmas. So I think I forgot to say that in the M2 video that I made. So sorry about that. If you're watching that and this now, also. But yeah, wish everybody good holidays and stuff. So see you in the next one. Ciao.